Om Namo Venkateshaya. Today TTD issued 300 rupees October month special entry darshan ticket, and around 12:30 almost all tickets are completely booked. That is from October 1st to October 31st special entry darshan tickets are completely booked now. They have made few changes in their portal. I will share you the details in this video so that it will be helpful for you for tomorrow Sarvadarshanam tickets online booking. Mostly they will do the same thing for tomorrow also, I guess. Generally at 9 a.m. they will start booking, and before that any time we can able to log in, but this time they have made login itself at on time only, that is 9 a.m. Same thing they have mentioned in their portal also before itself. So at 9 a.m. they have made us to enter and means logged in. Earlier we used to give email ID, password. Now they have made changes that we have to give our mobile number, any mobile number whichever we are having in our hand, actually we can give. So mobile number, once we type the mobile number they will send OTP. That OTP we have to enter, then capture code also. Earlier it was only in capital letters, now they made changes like cap, small, number, like that. Then once we entered all these details, it will take us to date selection. Selecting the slot is same as before, that is we have to select the date, then slot opens, then we have to select the slot, number of persons, if extra laddu needs, then we have to agree the terms and conditions. Slots differ from day to day for special entry darshan, but no idea about this Sarva darshan because every day slot ends at 7 o'clock for the special entry darshan. Maybe now they are giving actually Sarva darshan slots at night only. It's my guess, maybe they will continue at night time darshan. So let us see when they are opening actually. Then give your names, ID proofs like Aadhaar card or voter ID or passport and their numbers. Mostly Sarvadarshan process ends here itself because we are not going to make any payment in Sarvadarshan ticket process. Today special entry darshan ticket, initially payment session went very well, but later on the site got hanged and people struggled to do payment actually. Then because of this few of the devotees didn't get tickets today. So anyway, this problem is not going to come for Sarva darshan tickets. Keep your ID proof details ready and avoid mobile data or mobile for booking. Better choose laptop or computer, and if you have good internet speed, chances of getting tickets are more better. If you don't have internet speed, means if your internet speed is not good, please go to high speed internet center, actually it is better. Even if site got hang, don't worry, keep on trying till the last ticket ends. Obviously people will try more because whoever didn't get special entry darshan tickets, they will also try. If it is Sarva darshan means more people will naturally try, so definitely site will get hang. So don't worry, don't leave till the last ticket ends. You keep on trying. Please check my community post because in today also I instantly updated the process of booking the tickets from 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. So tomorrow also mostly I will update the informations regarding this process. So please check my community post also. If you have booked the tickets today, accommodation have not yet opened still. Once they open, I will update the details. If your money is transferred, means debited, but ticket is failed actually, because means that is your transaction failed, don't worry, within 7 days your money will be refunded. If they didn't refund, you can mail to them, that is helpdesk@tirumala.org. I will give you this link in my description box, please check. Per day 8,000 tickets they are issuing, means from September 26th to October 31st, means almost it comes around 2,80,000 tickets. So tickets are available. Don't leave at any process, like if it gets hang, please keep trying till the last ticket ends. I will share the details from the beginning of booking starts till it ends in my community post. So please check my community post, and even subscribers also sharing their experience of booking, so you check with that also. It will helpful for you to book the tickets. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.